Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to set the backlash. We're going to try to remove that out of this quick release jaw. This quick release assembly opens and closes. There's two jaws in here that open and close, and push nylon inserts against this lead screw. And if there's too much backlash side to side, it'll show up on a comparator as your image kind of floats around instead of acts responsibly to your lead screw. So what you have to do is lock this in place so it's closed against the lead screw. You need a 1/8 Allen wrench and a 2.5 Allen wrench. And what you would do is loosen up this little screw here. This is a screw that locks the pivot screw in place. Once that's loose, you can put your 1/8 Allen wrench in here and tighten this up a little bit. If you tighten this, you'll notice that these jaws won't spring closed again. So you just keep loosening it until the jaws close. Once you get to the point where the jaws can work freely and there's no backlash, that's the right spot. So if you make it too tight, the jaws won't work. If you make it too loose, the jaws will work fine, but then there'll be backlash in them. So you want to take out all the backlash, but still have the jaws free enough to open and close. And then once you have it set right, you can lock this screw back down. That'll lock the jaw pivot screw in place. Now, if you put an object on your stage, something pointy preferably, and look at it on the screen, when you move your stage back and forth like this, it should be very responsive to your movements. If you find that it's floating kind of, or starts off in one direction then goes in another direction when you're using this, it's most likely the backlash with these jaws has to be readjusted again. The only other place that there's backlash is here at this bearing block. But you can make sure this collar is tight up against here. There's bearings on either side of this bearing block, and a wave washer in here. And you can crush that wave washer down and take the backlash out of here. Most likely it won't be here. It'll be either in here or the teeth will need to be recut, which is in a separate video. And that's it for this. Thank you.